Let's take a look at trigonometric equations from Anderson. Solve 7 cos theta over 2 equals to 10 sin theta for 0 to 2 pi. Now let's analyze the question over here. If you take a look at this angle, theta, this angle is theta over 2, they are different. And you also notice this angle is double of this angle here. So we will go to the formula page and find out where is the double angle formula. Now I boxed out only the sine and cos because you have a choice to change the bigger angle to the smaller angle or the smaller angle to the bigger angle here. I'm going to change the bigger to the smaller one, means from left to right. I'm going to choose this one here, meaning I'm going to look at the sine 2a version. Sine 2a version. Let's change it. So I'm going to maintain 7 cos theta over 2, and I'm going to change this one here. Using the formula, I will change 2 sine a cos a. So the meaning of it is that I will change to 2 sine half the angle of the one before this. So here is theta. Here's going to be theta over 2, theta over 2. So my first step is to use the double angle formula, this step here. All right, so next step, let me expand the right-hand side. So here I will get 20 sine theta over 2 cos theta over 2. Let's talk about something you need to be very careful, because I think you will see cos theta over 2 and you tend to divide it both sides. Try not to do that. We have an unknown theta. Theta cos theta over 2 might take the value of 0. So we don't do that. Let's just move one side to factorize. So I'm going to factorize cos theta over 2. So now I will have this and this separately. I can do cos theta over 2 equals to 0, or 7 minus 20 sine theta over 2 equals to 0 here. Let's take a look at this one here first. Usually if I see 0, I wouldn't draw ASCC quadrant. Okay, so I will use the graph for this one, cos theta over 2. Let me do it here. So from here, let's continue. Cos graph. This one ends at 2 pi. I need a 0. So I have 2 dots here and here. So I will need to now consider what's the answer range that I need to give. So the question here says that theta between 0 to 2 pi. So let me write again, because I have adjusted our answer here to theta over 2 only. All right, theta over 2 must be between 0 and pi then. Okay, now let's take a look at this one here. If this is 2 pi at the end of graph, the center will be pi. The one that takes the 0 and fall between this range is going to be this one only, which is pi over 2. So now I can write down from this one here, theta over 2. Answer is pi over 2. So theta equals to pi. So we have solved the first one here using a graph. And remember to take note of what answer range to provide. Next, let's take a look at this one here. Let me rewrite this. And I'm going to move 20 to the right-hand side. Next step, let's divide by 20. So this will involve our usual solving, which I will draw the quadrant. And sine positive, let's circle these two quadrants. And let's take reference angle by taking a sine inverse of 7 over 20. Let me write down my calculator answer, 0.3576. And this one here, we're going to apply pi minus reference angle, which is sine inverse of 7 over 20. I'll get 2.784. So remember to check these two. So I'm going to write again. Pi value is going to be 3.142. Notice that these two answers fall nicely in between. So I will have theta over 2 equals to this answer here. And this answer here. And notice I need to stop here. I don't take the next round anymore because your adding 2 pi will be exceeding this. And if you minus 2 pi, you'll be exceeding this as well. Okay? So I only have two answers here. Let's multiply by 2. For the last step, I will have my answer as 0.715 3SF. The other one will be 5.57 3SF. So to put the answers all together, theta will be pi 0.715 and 5.57. All right, that's all for this question over here.